Good morning, everyone. Come with me for a 10-minute yoga class where we get ready for the day by warming up the muscles and moving mindfully with the breath. We will get started on our hands and knees. So take the wrists under the shoulders and the knees right under the hips. Spread the fingers really wide. And then on an inhale, drop the spine, gaze up, cow pose. Exhale, reverse, chin to chest. Head is heavy here. Inhale, dropping the spine, spreading the collarbones as you gaze up. And then exhale, we reverse, chin to chest, crown of the head is heavy. Stretch the back of the neck. One more of these. Inhale, stretching, gazing up, feeling your spine. Exhale, reverse. Good. Inhale to a neutral spine. And then from here, we're going to take the right toes to the right side of the mat. Step the left foot back. Inhale the left arm up. Here's gate pose. It's kind of like a modified side plank. From here, as you inhale, take the left arm up over the head. As you exhale, take the left arm back down towards the body. Lighten the right fingertips. And then inhale, come up, right arm up and over. As you exhale, very slowly with control, right hand down. And then inhale, the left arm up overhead. As you exhale, left arm comes up. And then inhale, torso up, right hand over. One more of these. So we're starting to feel the abdominal muscles as we move slowly with control here. Good. And then coming up one last time. Right hand up and over. Good. On your next exhale, just come back to that tabletop. All right, so maybe resetting, drop the spine, gaze up. Exhale, round the back, tuck and curl. Good, this time the left toes will go out to the left side of the mat as you step the right foot to the back of the mat. And then inhale, take that right arm up and over. Exhale, we're gonna start to stack shoulders over hips. And then inhale, take the left arm up and over this way. Beautiful. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, right arm up and over. Moving slowly here, lightly inhaling, left arm up and over. Exhale, taking it back down. Here's your last one. We move slowly so that the abdominal muscles can really engage here. Exhale, both hands come down. Find that tabletop again. From here, step the right toes back, the left toes back. Find a high plank. Really press into the hands, protract the shoulders, knit the front ribs into the body. Drop the tailbone towards the heels. Starting to get really strong here. In the front of the legs, back of the legs, abdominals, gaze between the thumbs. One more inhale, and then exhale, hips high, downward facing dog. First down dog of the morning, bend one knee, bend the other knee. Going back and forth a few times here. Inhale, float the right foot up. And then exhale, step the right foot between the hands and drop the left knee down. Here's a low lunge. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, hips back, right leg straightens. Inhale, hips drop down, lift the heart, gaze up. Exhale, hips back, right leg straightens. Inhale, right knee bends, head and chest up. Here's our last one. We exhale and take the hips back. Inhale, come forward, bending into that right knee. Now from here, take the right hand to the inside of the right foot. Take the left foot to the left corner of the mat. The right shoulder and right knee are touching each other. From here, inhale, the left arm up. So it's a modified side angle pose here because our back knee is down, but feeling that big stretch in the right hip. We gaze up towards that left thumb. Inhale. Exhale, left hand down. Tuck the left toes. Step right foot to meet left, downward facing dog.
Inhale the left leg high, down dog split. And then take the left foot between the hands, drop that right knee down. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, straighten out that left knee, hips back. Inhale, hips forward, left knee bends, look up. Exhale, hips back, left knee straight. Inhale, gazing up. Exhale, drawing back here. Good. From here, bend into the left knee. Left hand to the inside of the left foot. The left knee and the left shoulder are squeezing together. Right toes to the right side of the mat. Inhale, we lift that right arm up. Modified extended side angle. Kneeling, extended side angle. Keep that contact between the left knee and left shoulder. Start to gaze up towards the right thumb. One more inhale. Exhale, right hand down. Tuck the right toes. Step the left foot back. Find your downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, go ahead and step the feet forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold here. Rib cage to thighs. Weight in the toes. On an inhale, sweep the arms up. Palms touch above you. Gaze up. Exhale, hands to the sides. On an inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, bow forward and down. Inhale, lengthen the spine, lift halfway. And then as you exhale, send the left toes back. Keep the right hand down on the mat. So really bend into the right knee. And then take the left foot, anchor it back and down. And then inhale, left arm up, extended side angle here. Gazing towards that left thumb, option to take the arm up and over the ear. One more breath here. And then as you exhale, left hand comes down, square the hips. Really squeeze the legs together on the mat. Engage the core. Inhale, airplane the arms. The rib cage is touching the thigh here. Exhale strongly. We stay here. Inhale. Exhale, you've got this. One more big inhale. And then as you exhale, hands come down towards the mat. From here, lean the weight forward. Step the left foot to meet the right. Halfway lift. Exhale, fold here. Root down to rise up. Palms touch, look up. Exhale, hands to the sides. Sweeping the arms up on an inhale. Hinging from the hips. Exhale. Inhale, lengthen the spine. This time the right toes go back. Lunging here. Left hand plants down onto the mat. So deep bend in that left knee. Right heel back and down. On an inhale, the right arm comes up. Option to take it over the ear. Squeezing the core in, the glutes. Pressing down into the mat firmly with the feet. One more inhale. Exhale, right hand down, square the hips. Zip up the core. Inhale, airplane arms. We stay for the exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. And then exhale, the hands come down. Start to lean the weight forward. Right foot meets left. Half lift. Inhale. Exhale, deep bow. Root down to rise up. Palms touch, look up. Samastitihi, exhale. Hands to the sides. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Option to blink the eyes closed as you watch the breath, noticing the quality of the inhales and exhales. Are you breathing deeply or shallowly? Quickly or slowly? And as we practice yoga, we don't assign value or judgment to the breath, to the body, to our state of being. We simply observe without judgment. When you're ready, blinking the eyes open. Great job, you did it. I hope that you feel amazing, warm, loose, strong.
Let me know by commenting below. Please like this video, send it to a friend who might enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support in this way helps me to keep creating classes like this. Thank you so much for being here, and I can't wait to see you soon.